What's up, guys? So today is a very exciting day for me because the thing that fascinates me and the thing that I have been thinking about buying for a very long time just arrived today. And without much further ado, I'm gonna show you. I'm sure you really know what this is because it's already in my title, but my very own DJI MAVIC. So I have been thinking about buying a drone for a very long time, but I'm not really sure what model to buy because I wanted it to be light and something that could just fit inside my bag, something that's not bulky. And even if it's small, I wanted it to maintain its good video quality. So just late last year, I think that's November 2019, DJI just announced that they will release their lightest drone ever, and this is it, the MAVIC Mini. And this one actually, this is a MAVIC Mini specially made for Japan. The other MAVIC Mini that is sold outside Japan, that's 249 grams. But this is specially made for Japan because this is 199 grams. It's very light. It's ultra light, guys. And they really made it for Japan because they wanted to fit the flight regulations here, which is if you have a drone which is above 200 grams, you have to acquire a permission to fly the drone. But since this is just 199 grams, you don't really have to do that. But of course, we still have to follow certain rules, like no flying near the airports, of course, and no flying around crowded places, and no flying around places with tall buildings. Of course, we're going to follow that. So what are we waiting for? Let's do this! So what I bought is a MAVIC Mini Fly More combo. It's already a set, and we're going to see what's inside this box. Yeah, it's open, guys. So what we have here is the bag. That's it. And first we would, what's inside this box? Oh, and there's a lot here. Okay, let's start with this one first. What's inside this? Manuals, and it's in different languages. I hope there's English. Yeah, there's English. The batteries! I haven't said it earlier, but one thing that makes it lighter than the other version is that the battery is lighter because this only lasts for 18 minutes and the other one battery lasts for 30 minutes, I think. So with the Fly More combo set, you already have 3 batteries, so that's 18 minutes each. So you could fly more than 30 minutes with this one. What's inside this bag? I'm gonna open it. Ha. Ta-da! This is the remote control. Shall we open it? Ta-da! Oh, it's kind of heavy, but it still fits in my bag. It has antenna. What is this? Oh, this is where you put your cell phone. Like, my cell phone is charged right now, but maybe later I'm gonna try it. And what are these? What are these? The propellers. I have extra propellers here, just in case. Your propellers, we have 3. Oh, inside this plastic bag, there are 4. So, how do you attach this one? Maybe I'm not gonna need it yet. Maybe in the future I'm gonna need that, but now, not yet. This one, this is the charger for the battery. For those 3 batteries. See? You can charge it from here. Sabay-sabay, pwede mo silang i-charge. I'm gonna check that later. Ano to? Can I read that later? And we have okay. Mura siyang earbuds pero para siya sa remote control. You should, if you're going to use the remote control, you have to attach the, you know, this one to the remote so that you could control it like that. I'm not gonna open it, later na lang. Ayan. So, ganyan lang siya pag-attach. Kasi, pwede namang wala. Pero anyway, parang so, you're ready to go. And, meron pa pala. Another, what's this? Ano to ito? Screwdriver. A screwdriver. I'm going to put that back. And anyway, I'm gonna put everything back later. And this one, these are the cables. The RC cables, I think. Actually, I don't know how to use this, but I haven't read the manual yet, but and the last but not the least, this one, guys, this is so light, I swear, and this is so small. See, these are my hands. I have very small hands, but it still fits. Diba? Please remove the gimbal protector before taking off, and charge to activate the battery before your first time use. Alright, I'm gonna charge later on. I'm gonna read about it. But it's so small, I swear. Oh gosh. I don't know if this would withstand a strong wind, but I hope it does. I hope you're gonna be strong, you know. I'm planning to use it forever. So I'm planning to use it on my travels, on my future travels. Maybe on my future video, you're gonna see a shot from this drone. But for now, it's already nighttime and you're not allowed to fly drone during nighttime. So I'll just wait for the weekend, and whenever I have travels, I'm gonna put some review and maybe test videos for this drone. So see you next time, and thank you for watching. Bye.